Today is Stitch Boy Grooming Day. We took an Uber from home for about 15 minutes ride. And we walked first to make him feel a little bit relaxed when he's getting his full groom. Haba na ng buhok niya at yan, we're here at the place called Bollywood Pet Grooming here at Queen Street West. And the groomer said it will take 2 hours max, so I took a stroll around the neighborhood. Yeah, I went to this Trinity Bellwoods Park. Nice park, especially every summertime. Yeah. Finally, his grooming is done and we're taking TTC on the way home. Daming kalat dun sa streetcar kanina. Yan, sarap na kami ng bahay.
Sit.
At next few days, walk naman kami. Montage ko na lang yung ibang mga clips para hindi masyadong madaldal.
Pokok. 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 Yug, kami. Kami.
Not hungry? You want to walk walk? Walk walk Stitch dog? Uy, natulog. Uy, want to walk walk? Go.
Yan, nag-walk kami nila at saka nila mama. Everyday kailangan talaga kong ginawalk ko ni Stitch kasi masyado siyang madaming energy. Ayun lang, ang breed nga pala ni Stitch ay Maltese. He's a Maltese dog.